What's up everybody, I'm Lindsey Olson, Samvia brand ambassador, and I'm going to show you a super beautiful low loose bun on this gorgeous head of hair. So let's get into it.
First, I'm prepping the hair with Redken's Thermal Mild Spray. Now I'm taking the 2-in-1 iron, pressing it on the outside of the hair to get it ready for the heat. This is an 1.5 inch 2-in-1 Marcel iron. Now what I'm doing is taking vertical sections and doing what is called a figure 6 root tong. That means I'm starting at the base, heating up the base, then the mids, and then the ends. This type of set is gonna give me maximum control over the style, base, mids, and then ends. I'm working in vertical sections to really help elongate the look because my guest has a lot of hair. So I'm taking vertical sections, rolling the hair away from the face to set us up for this super cute style you guys are about to see. Figure 6 root tong, start at the base, just open and close the iron, let it heat up thoroughly, and then slide the hair off the iron, clip it into place. Moving to the top of the head, I'm working in horizontal sections, and I'm doing what's called an on base direction, meaning that I'm getting the most volume on the top, directing the hair 45 degrees above the 90, and then rolling it away from the face. Again, making sure it's heated up thoroughly, and then clipping it into place for it to cool down. Last section in the front, prepping it with that Redken thermal spray, and then rolling the hair towards the face, 45 degrees above that 90, to then roll away from the face for an on base max volume. Making sure everything is really cooled down before I drop the clips. This is what's really gonna help set you up so you have the most longevity out of the finish, whether the hair is staying down or if you're going up. Look at this volume. This is beautiful. So I'm just using my fingers to break it apart just a little bit. Now I'm gonna come in with the 1 inch, again, this is the 2-in-1 iron, and now I'm using it as a spiral tong, meaning I'm wrapping the hair around the iron. I'm using a smaller iron to really create multiple dimension and textures within the finish. So this is gonna give me so many different layers of texture to be able to put the hair up. Also could keep this down. So just wrapping the hair around the iron ends, pointed towards the floor, and yes, we love it. It looks beautiful. So now what I'm gonna do is bringing the hair all back. Everything is gathering to the back, brushing it out with my hands, really, really loosely, and I'm just taking a small elastic and wrapping the hair into a pony. In that ponytail, split it in half with your fingers. Create a little bit of a gap, and what we're gonna do is just pull the hair halfway through that gap. So half the hair is gonna be on the left side and some of the ends are still gonna be sticking out on the opposite side. This creates such a super cute roll and a lot of texture all in once. Just pulling the hair to the opposite side to create some more tension, coming in with a large hairpin and securing to the base. These large hairpins are super helpful. So going from the outside of the hair, bringing it to the head, and then pressing it against the scalp to secure it and lock it into place. Yep, I can definitely do this look with just 2 pins. Just pinching up a little bit of the hair to loosen up the texture. I'm using Redken spray wax for some added shine and texture as well. And just using my fingers to create a little bit more movement. And here we have a super cute modern twist.
Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching my modern French twist. I hope it inspired you. Make sure you follow along at Lindsey Marie Olson on TikTok and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to the Samvia YouTube channel for a daily dose of inspiration. Thank you and see you next time.